Good afternoon, once again YouTube Andy with you with another little video. So my last video I kind of left you, didn't I, with a flat tyre. Managed to sort it out, took me about 25 minutes. Not changed a flat tyre in over 45 years. This one took me 25 minutes to change it. It was a little bit tricky, let's say. I mean, it's not rocket science, is it? It was fairly straightforward, to be honest. So basically I took the wheel off, you know, take that thing off down there, and it all kind of falls apart once you've got to take these off as well, the brake blocks. And then take the inner tube out, put a new inner tube in, blow it up, put it all back together again, and I think everything's kind of all right. I don't know, I haven't really tried it yet. That's one of the reasons why I'm out today, is to one, ride my bike, two, fly my DJI Neo on a slightly different setting on the follow mode, and three, to take the little doggies out for their afternoon walk. Okay, right, here we go then. A nice little ride in the woods, little drone flight as well. Right, don't forget to give it a wave, okay? I'm all out of puff. Oh, I'm so unfit. Good reason, actually, well, even more reason to get myself a bike. Donated to me by Wiltshire man. Thank you, Sandy. Bike's going really, really well, actually. Yeah, pleased with it. Anyway, we are at a bit of a wood, which is about maybe 300 or 400 meters thereabouts from where I live. Nice little place, got a couple of lakes. Got to be a bit careful of those, especially when you're flying a drone. What we're going to do, we're going to take you off in a moment, and we're going to just kind of have a nice little cruise through the wood, just to see what there is. I've seen deer in here before, a few deer, foxes, badgers, greater and lesser spotted British Yetis, perhaps, and a whole different array of trees, and it's just a lovely area basically to come out and enjoy, and it's all for free. Right, let's take her off for a little flight, shall we? Okay, we get filming, and away we go. So we get on with this one then, guys. This is going to be kind of interesting. I do like it around here, actually. There's some nice woods down here to fly in. Just take ourselves in nice and gently, ease into the situation. No need to go mad. I think this might be, I don't think I'm going to be able to make too many videos this week just because I've got quite a few things on, so I'm going to make the most of the time I've got out here. Busy work wise, and the wife wants me to take her here, there and everywhere else, so I'm a little bit limited just regarding my time really. But anyway, we're going to have a bit of fun in the woods. I'm not sure if I can navigate through that. I'll give it a go. This looks to be a little bit tricky. Okay, let's just take our time, see what we can do, see what we can see. There we go, just about got through that, didn't we? Fairly unscathed. Let's just take it over there for a moment. Then perhaps we'll just work our way into the wood from this end. We're just going to see what there is. You might see something interesting. Okay, looks to be a little bit challenging. Sorry about the background noise, people. There's a lot of sirens going on. I'd much rather to be way out in the sticks, if I was perfectly honest with you. But living in quite a large conurbation, then you're going to get all different sorts of, was a squirrel I think then, all sorts of different background noise going on, and interference and whatever else really. Just a general pain in the neck. Okay, I think there's some water down there somewhere, so I've got to be a little bit mindful of that. I think I spot some water down there, so we're just going to bring it back perhaps, and we're going to go over this way. Just testing out my flying skills once again. Just give myself a good test, just to keep my drone flying skill level pretty good. Okay, I'm just gonna take a nice little trip through here, I think. Okay, interesting. Going where drones have never been before, let alone human feet probably. Alright, this is a bit of a challenge, isn't it? Just go up slightly. Bit of an opening. Okay, we're just going to go down this way. Try and navigate, find a little gap somewhere. Just going to go and nav through the gaps. Let's just see what there is. Yes, anyway, yeah, weather-wise today in the UK, not great to be honest. We've got a bit of a, not so much a storm, let's say, just some wet weather, some high winds. But as you can see in the wood here, it's pretty still. Yeah. Out in the open, it's pretty blustery, so I'm not going to take it out in the open too much. There's a lovely lake there. Right, we're going to avoid the lake. Don't really like flying over water, especially with the Neo. It has a bit of a strange reaction. You've got to be a little bit careful. Oh, hang on a minute. We're okay. Darn, we're down. We try taking it off, see what happens. Okay.
Take off. Visual positioning failure, unable to return automatically. Pay attention to flight attitude mode. Fly with caution.
Okay, it's not having it. Okay. Find my drone. Literally just over there, I think. It's not far away at all. Yeah. just seeing if I can hear it any. We've just gone into to retrieve it. Everything's okay with the drone. A bit messy in mine, but I'm sure it's going to be fine. All the props are fine. The gimbal works very well. Everything's okay. Pretty much indestructible, really. Right, we'll try this again then. Okay. Get you flying out, and then we get you filming as well. Put it on the big screen, guys. You never know what you might see. Something interesting, or you might not. Okay. Right then, let's see what there is, shall we? Let's go down in the valley. See what we can see. A bit of water down there. Don't really like flying over water. Obvious reasons. So we're going to head off in, I think, that direction. Probably. Just have a little fly around, see what there is. Just wonder if I can get under that tree. Yeah, just about, I reckon. Ooh, just about made that. Let's go down here, shall we? Have a little look around, have a little nose around in the woods, see what there is. It's really messy down there, actually. I had a bit of a fall. My trousers are completely ruined. Well, not ruined, they just need to go in the wash for an intensive wash probably. Oh, hello, it's doing something strange. Oh dear. Okay, I think I'm snagged up on something by the look of it. That's not quite the right angle, is it? See if we can take off and try and shake ourselves away from it. Okay, no, it's not having anything of it. Right, it's basically only over there, so we'll go in and grab it and fly again. Right, okay, we've got 37% battery power, so enough for a few more minutes, I think, and then I'll probably call it a day. Let's try again, shall we? Get filming. Pretty tough round here, guys. Pretty tough. As you can see, there's a lot of things to bring your drone down, that's for sure. Especially when you whack it around at quite a high pace. But it's all good fun. Right, let's have a look down here, shall we? Not sure I can actually get through there, to be honest. Gosh, it's really thick, isn't it? I've chosen a real thick part of the wood, that's for sure. Let's go this way, I think. Ooh. Right, more gaps to fly into. More interesting gaps. Not sure I can get down through that. Well, I might be able to. Looks pretty low to me. Bulldoze my way through, I think. Yeah, just about get through that. Bulldoze my way through. Okay, let's have a nice genteel stroll through the woods and just see what there is, really. Bit of wildlife, you never know, but it's really just a matter of being out here. It's really quite lovely just to fly around, just to experience the great outdoors once again. Oh, hello. Caught something there. That was a big hit, wasn't it? Gosh, there's some real...
Battery level is low.
There's some real...
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Some real small little twigs out there. You just be so vigilant. You really have. Right, I'm going to bring it back because I think I'm getting quite low. Back to the home point, which is... I think it's probably over in this direction, actually. Yeah. Okay, straight ahead. Home point is straight ahead. Okay. Trying to fly through the gap. Got to kind of pick a line really and just hope that it's the right one. I don't like going too high just because...
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
We'll cancel that, shall we? I can fly it back. I've got enough power to get myself back. Maybe the 30 or 40 meters I am away. Okay. Right, here we go then, guys. Right, good job. That was pretty tough going, to be fair. That was pretty tough going. Very tough. But that is a tough place to fly a little drone. Just trying to find little gaps to maneuver your drone in and out to try and make some kind of headway is quite difficult. But nonetheless, it's still enjoyable. And this time of year now, sort of, getting late afternoon, we're starting to lose our light. Much better kind of earlier in the morning. The sun is kind of going down now, and I think it's having a bit of a problem trying to locate the ground with the sensors underneath the drone. So just having a few kind of maneuverability issues with it. But apart from that, it was okay. Anyway, I've got about a 2 or 3 minute cycle home. I'm going to try the drone on follow mode and see if it can follow me all the way home.